Today's Friday, January 5th, 2024. One of the very interesting, I would say, a second candle that's providing an interesting development in the unfolding story of a period within a trading range is a large bar. So what I've noticed about these bars uh, represents a flag, and that flag uh, is defined as such. So I've been noticing this as I monitor each candlestick formations. And here is one example here. Okay, right here. This candle right there. So initially there's a wick, and then there's two red candles prior to this green candle. And what happens on a mild day like this, when it's trending up with a moving average that's trending up like that, after this candle is closed to establish a large green candle, what it would do is it'll perform a retracement. And then at a point where it could be at the bottom of the start of that candle or somewhere in between, performing a pullback. Whenever something of this magnitude occurs, there seems to have a high probability of a pullback. That's one story there, and then it picks up here. And as it moves away from the moving average, another candle of this magnitude occurs. Soon after this candle is closed, on the next candle, it creates a reversal at this. It seems to be saying to the market, look, after I finish this candle, it's represented here, and here's what I'm going to do. Then afterwards, it starts to come down. Because the magnitude is so high and above the moving average, it drops down and down. And of course, well, what about this red candle here? Sure enough, it attempted to move up, but it went down. And that's a serious signal that is, because it's like saying, okay, pushed down here and turned out to be green, which means that it wants to continue a little further before dropping down. And so this candle is a continuation candle, even though it attempted to pull up, but it retained here, and so there was further downside that needed to occur. Then this candle here, with this green candle, is saying to the world, look, I'm gonna reverse this condition and move up. And sure enough, it started to move up. And then finally, there's another candle. Here's another candle, a big candle, on a mild transition, a mild transition, not a parabolic transition. That this parabolic candle is signaling again that there is going to be another reversal, and sure enough it did. And this candle is also specified here as well. So that's something that I need to be aware of, because as soon as I see something like this, what I want to do is, oh, I'm going to miss out, I'm going to get in. And as soon as this candle enters, then most likely in a statistically higher probability that is going to reverse.